The Supreme Court has cleared Vinesh Phogat to participate in the Asian Games trials. But this story isn't really about the verdict. It is about everything she had to go through to get to that courtroom in the first place. Watch this to get a full picture of the uphill battle women athletes face. When you look at everything that happened before the court date, you realize that this isn't just about one athlete or one federation. It's about what we ask women in sport to give up and how institutions respond when they ask for something back. Vinesh Phogat has represented India at the Olympic Games, the World Championships, Asian Games, the Commonwealth Games. By any measure, one of the most accomplished wrestlers India has produced. In December 2025, Vinesh Phogat announced that she was returning to wrestling. She wanted to compete at the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics, which would make her the first Indian woman wrestler at 4 games. A remarkable target by any measure. She had done everything right. She formally informed the International Testing Agency about her pregnancy sabbatical. She had written confirmation that she would be eligible to compete again from January 1st, 2026. She started training. The return officially was underway. Then the Wrestling Federation of India published its selection criteria for the Asian Games 2026. To enter the trials, athletes had to have won medals at specific domestic tournaments held during 2025 and 26. Vinesh had been pregnant through all of them. She was automatically excluded not by name, but by a guideline that simply didn't account for her situation. There was another issue. The federation issued a show cause notice and in it referred to her disqualification at the 2024 Paris Olympics as a national embarrassment. That notice effectively barred her from federation events. It became part of what she also challenged in court. She went first to a single judge who declined to grant her interim relief and listed the matter for July. With the trials only days away, she appealed again. On 22nd May 2026, a division bench of the Delhi High Court with Chief Justice D.K. and Justice Tejas Karia passed an interim order allowing Vinesh to participate in the Asian Games trials on May 30th and 31st. The court also ordered the trials to be video recorded and independently monitored. The court held that the WFI selection policy was, in its words, clearly exclusionary in nature because it gave the federation no discretion to consider an iconic athlete like Phogat who had stepped away on a maternity sabbatical. Her exclusion from the trials, the court said, was directly tied to the sabbatical and her temporary retirement, and the law must ensure that motherhood does not become a ground for exclusion or marginalization of female athletes. This was an interim order, not a final verdict. Vinesh did not ask for a concession, only a chance to participate. But then the Wrestling Federation took the matter one step higher, moving it to the Supreme Court to challenge the High Court's order. On May 29th, a bench of justices, P.S. Narasimha and Alok Arade, heard the case and allowed Vinesh to participate in the trials. The bench, in its remarks, described her as a sports person who had made the country proud. The trials happen tomorrow. The result will be a headline by the evening. But the question this case leaves behind is bigger than one wrestler or one event. We have to look at the fact that our sporting institutions in India actually built for the athletes. Whatever happens tomorrow, that doesn't go away. And it's something that we all must reflect on. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and follow DeKoder for more videos like this.